Hey. Relax, madam. Now your matter I don't dey chase since yesterday. I don't go buy ingredients for okra soup, no worry. I'll start cooking in a bit, but I need to rest first, please. Make I no go dey sleep as I dey cook. Don't worry, we'll talk later, okay? Bye-bye. Big girl, chief instructor.
The north is so beautiful. And the food, ooh, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
What's going on here? AJ! Hey! AJ!
Mom, what's the problem?
What do you mean what's the problem? Why does my house look like a war zone?
I told her countless times, but she just wouldn't listen. Who asked you? Aproko.
What are you? Aproko?
Shut up. What did I tell you to clean it up?
See, I'm already upset, oh. So I don't have time for this, your arguments. Where's Grandma?
Upstairs sleeping.
So Grandma is upstairs sleeping and you people have the time to be a combined nuisance, eh? And Mr. Man, why are you going dressed like this?
Remember you said you were going to take me to the dentist this afternoon. You said it's the only time you're going to be free.
Hey. Yes. I did say that. Take these things to the kitchen for me, please. And when you're coming back, bring my black slippers. And you, Madame AJ, clean this place up. Do you hear me? If I come back and meet this place like this, you know how much trouble you'll be in. If God forbid that I'll be raising a pig. Clean this place up. And while I'm out, go and bring in the chicken I bought yesterday in the freezer. Bring it out. I want to cook it for a client. What did I say?
She said I should bring out the chicken from the freezer. I want to cook it for a client.
Don't forget to.
Yes, Mommy.
Hey, don't forget. Because if you do, you will not like me at all.
Okay,
clean this place up. Thank you. And take my shoes upstairs. Let's go. Hey, did I not tell somebody AJ, what's wrong with you?
AJ has started again.
AJ, what's wrong with you?
Started a few minutes ago when he left.
Hey.
Just feeling hot and cold.
Where's your grandma?
I did not tell her. I don't want to disturb her sleep. I'm glad you are here now.
But you don't seem to be running a temperature.
It's probably because of the AC in your car. Your hands are cold.
Hey, so sorry, my baby. So sorry.
I don't buy it.
How can you be so insensitive, Juju? How can you even say something like that? Your sister is very sick and you don't even care? Please, if you don't have any caring thing to say, just leave this place or say so.
You really outdid yourself, AJ.
Mommy. Hey, my darling.
I'm sorry I did not do what you asked me to do. When I was about to bring the chicken out of the freezer, I was too weak to do it.
Oh, my baby. Hey, don't worry about it. Go and put water on the fire. I'm sure one bath will make her feel much better. And you, just lie down here. Mommy is going to go upstairs, change, and come and cook something good that will give you strength. Hey, my baby. I'm so sorry. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. You are healed. Oh yeah. I'll soon be back. Juju, sister. Oh yeah. Imagine that daughter of yours, hey, trying to play a fast one on me, retired player. You should have heard how she was talking. Mommy, I'm weak. Mommy, I'm weak.
How do you know she is lying?
Not be me, Bonham. Come off it. Not go under any small sneeze or cough. I already know what is wrong with her. Well, you know what? I almost let the cat out of the bag. I almost did, but I decided to hold on and just, have a little fun with it.
So that's why you want me to do this?
Yes. What kind of a wife would I be if I didn't give my darling husband a bit of the fun? Sha, do your own part and come home early. You hear? I decided to include Grandma in the plan. So if you don't come early, we'll have all the fun without you. Your choice. Bye-bye. Sorry. You'll soon feel better.
Mommy, I finished cutting the okra. I'm marinating the chicken.
Oh, that's my little superhero. Thank you very much, I would have helped out, but as you can see, your sister is very ill. But I'll be checking on you from time to time. I hope you didn't forget to add the Onga spice when you marinated the chicken.
I already did.
Oh, that's my boy. Where's Grandma?
She should be around here, so.
Do you hold this for me? Get up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Get up. Just get up. Just get up. Sorry, just get up.
Daughter in the village.
Get up. Grandma, please tell us what is inside.
Just small thing. Garlic, efirin, ugu, ginger, and small salt, like 2 tablespoons of salt.
I think I smell some bitter leaf and. Oh yes. Are you sure it's going to work?
Sure, it will work. Get up.
Okay.
Get up.
Okay, Jane. Now, be a good girl. Are you not a big girl? Okay, open your mouth.
Lazy girl.
Drink it.
Drink it.
Drink. Don't throw. If you throw it, it will not work. Drink.
That's mommy's girl. Drink it.
Drink now. You drink it.
Open your mouth.
Don't throw it.
See, you have to open your mouth now.
If you throw it,
open for mommy. Open for mommy.
If you throw it, it will not work. Junior, give me some water. Blow her face. Continue blowing her face so that she will not throw. Blow her face. Drink more, my daughter.
Drink. Drink now. See this small thing now. Ah, it's almost finished. Continue blowing the face. That's good.
You're laughing.
That's good. Sorry, eh?
Hi, Jane, my princess. Oh, hi. Look, your mom called me, told me you were sick. I couldn't concentrate at all in the office again. I started running down home. My dear, what is all this? Oh, what kind of sickness is this? You are not running temperature, but you are hot and cold inside. Wonderful.
I don't understand, though, but thank God. Grandma had mixed some herbal thing. I'm sure it will work for her.
No. I don't like all these herbal concoctions. They don't work fast enough. You know me, I'm a man of sharp practice. You understand? So I called my friend, Dr. Aruna, and he gave me a list of all the injections she needs. She's going to need 5 injections to be taken daily for 7 days. And we shouldn't miss anyone at all. So he was kind enough to send the list, and I stopped on the way to the pharmacy to get them. You know me. Wait, Junior, yeah, move this table. Come. Draw the table, draw. Let's administer the injection quickly.
Let's administer it.
You need to save a life. Be serious, eh?
Dr. T.M. Lewin.
Anything for my daughter. I bought all of them. See, you are going to get well. Me, your father is at home.
Baby, we are doing all that we can to make sure you're better.
The north is so beautiful. And the food, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
He was also kind enough to send a YouTube link on how to administer an injection. So I saw part of it, but I'm sure what I saw should be enough. It can't be that hard. Plus all the movies I used to watch. I think it's something like this. You see, I started getting it. It's not hard.
It's not.
Very sharp needle. The sharper, the better.
Better.
To send the thing across. Okay. I think just put it in here. There it goes. It's not that, I don't think it's supposed to be painful, but if it pains you, they say the more it pains, the more it's working. Honey, any sickness that says it will hold our daughter down.
It has died.
I'm telling you, this injection will purify her system. I think he said 3 meals or something.
Just put everything.
Everything?
Yes.
What was overdose?
She can get better soon.
Okay. This is so slow. This nonsense, they try you. Come now, my daughter is sick. Don't you want to enter bloodstream? Yes. There we go. Aye. Okay. Then you do it like this.
You really like this thing.
Anything for my daughter. So how to administer now is okay, I think yes, like this. So this first one is going to go to her neck. Then he said the second one should be near her eyeball.
Your neck.
Wait, now no, it don't pain you.
I lied. What did you just say?
I'm sorry, mommy. I lied. I will do it again. I lied. Wait.
Of course you did.
And you still put me through all that stress. It's pure wickedness.
But maybe I told you. I said you will not like me if you did not do what I asked you to do. But now I don't even think we need to punish her because this satisfaction nothing on her face.
Mama, you too.
My dear, you know I love you, but we have to teach you a lesson.
And I hope you learned your lesson.
Yeah, what's the lesson?
Do not lie.
You say?
Do not.
You say?
Do not lie.
Not just that. Also, do not mess with your mom.
Don't mess with me. Okay, go upstairs. I'll call you when food is ready, okay?
Let's go, my dear.
That was fun. Madam Hot and Cold.
Tim. Oh, I have to give it to you. You went all out.
Oh, well, you know me now. It's either you go big or you go home. That's how I roll.
As parents, it is our duty to keep our children on the right path. They are our joy and our pride. We need to do all we can to ensure they don't stray. Sometimes, these methods may not be friendly to the child involved, but at the end of the day, it is to bring out the best in that child. Personally, I have low tolerance for dishonesty because just like the wonderful okra soup, you know that once you cover it while cooking, it loses its greenness and most times does not draw anymore. It's still soup, but most of the beauty has been lost. That is the same thing in life. When you live a life of dishonesty, you lose your integrity.
So, Grandma, did you really put 2 spoons of salt inside the concoction?
Do you think if I did, you'd be sitting there?
Oh, man.
I know what you're about to do. I know.
You think you'd be sitting there if I actually did that?
Karate skills. Yeah. Practicing.
Just take. Why you take the biggest?
Kung Fu, you know.